Do you want to know the secret to acing your exams? The stress, the pressure, the seemingly insurmountable mountains of notes. We've all been there. The desire to perform well, the need to excel, it's a shared sentiment across the globe. But what if there were certain secrets? A few hidden steps you could take to unlock your full potential and conquer those exams. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we unfold the secret steps to excel in your exams. The first secret to acing your exams lies in how you study. You see, the key isn't necessarily studying harder, but studying smarter. And how does one study smarter, you ask? Well, there are a few techniques that can significantly enhance your learning efficiency. First, let's talk about spaced repetition. This technique involves reviewing information at increasing intervals over time, which helps to consolidate it into long-term memory. It's a powerful tool to make sure what you study sticks. Next, we have active recall. Rather than passively reading or highlighting text, this method encourages you to actively retrieve information from your memory. It's all about testing yourself, again and again. Lastly, there's interleaved practice. This means mixing up different topics or types of problems within a single study session. It can be more challenging, but it's proven to improve understanding and recall. Remember, studying smart often beats studying hard. The second secret might come as a surprise. It's rest. This isn't simply about getting 8 hours of sleep each night, though that is certainly important. It's also about the strategic use of downtime between study sessions. You see, when you're studying, your brain is working hard to absorb tons of new information. It's like a sponge, soaking up everything it can. But just like a sponge, your brain needs time to drain and reset before it can soak up more. That's why cramming or pulling all-nighters can actually be counterproductive. You're not giving your brain the time it needs to process and consolidate the information you've learned. So try to schedule regular breaks during your study sessions. Maybe work for 45 minutes, then take a 15-minute break. Use that time to stretch, grab a snack, or just zone out for a bit. So don't underestimate the power of resting your brain. The last secrets are about taking care of your body through a healthy diet and regular exercise. Here's the thing, your brain needs fuel to function effectively. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide the nutrients your brain needs to stay sharp. Foods like blueberries, avocados, and walnuts are often dubbed as brain foods for their brain-boosting benefits. But that's not all. Regular physical activity is just as important. Exercise gets your blood flowing, which means more oxygen and nutrients for your brain. It also releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that help reduce stress. You don't need to run a marathon. Simple exercises like a brisk walk, yoga, or even a quick dance break can do the trick. Remember, it's not about transforming your body, it's about keeping your mind sharp and focused. Taking care of your body is taking care of your brain. Now that you know the secrets, it's time to put them into practice. Start by honing your study techniques, making them as effective as possible. Then, don't forget the power of rest. It's as crucial as your study time. Coupled with a healthy diet and regular exercise, you create a holistic approach to acing your exams. Remember, success doesn't just happen, it's a result of conscious, consistent efforts. Remember, your success is in your hands. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such insights.